Roukontie 16, Valkeakoski.
And this was built in 2003, so it's probably from early 2003, looks like it.
Yeah.
Polish into from early 2003.
It wasn't a Gen 2.
Yeah.
Ah, it's 2000.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice, that's a late model. 4 floors. Capacity is 8 persons or 600 grams. It's going to be inspected in 2024, turning 20 years old in the next year, 2023. It's have recipe 1 in 3527. It deserves 2 rights.
Yeah.
This is very nice.
Oh, lovely white door.
Lovely panel. Nice plants there.
Yeah.
Very lovely. Oh. We'll need to turn on the lights downstairs.
Yeah.
Door close. Oh, I have to turn on the lights. I forgot it. Keep it on, please. Thank you. It lasted. Oh, this is not going for the door right now. That's the only thing missing. Strange enough.
These poikivaiset. Miten Otis on now describe this?
It was definitely worth it because it's still Otis 2000.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, you can press because I pressed 2 times. It's green for the ground floor.
It's the bottom floor.
Yeah, of course. Or ground floor.
Alright.
And also the light is green.